when they play, when they, yeah. So when they're coming out.
Baba ka dito, ma'am. Di nga ka nag-wipe out eh. Night shift ka kasi ng night shift.
Well, I don't know.
JD mo mabagal eh. Ano? Ha?
Hindi pa ba tayo out of bounds?
Hindi pa. Powday! Yan kasi, taba-taba kasi. Ang tagal ni JD. Nauna ako!
Tree. Uhogin kita! Let's go!
Dito pa ako dadaan.
Ay naku po, ang daming dadaanan
Ayun,
niya. Basta
dyan,
cut ka
Kai.
lang. Sige, diretso ka lang. Basta. Diretso ka lang bala? Diretso! Go!
Ay, ikot ako.
Hawak. Sige yan. Tamaan niya yan. Good job. Yeah, it's good. Right. Right. Di alam ng right to eh. Right nga. Good job. Oh, shit. Right. Right, Marican. Right nga. Right. Keep right. Hard right. Ay nako, short ka na. Kung kaya mo ng right ka. Ay nako. Yan, see? Galing mo na. Haha! Dipaw! Okay. Oh shit. Oh boy. Oh, bakit? Wait. Ang hirap ang video.
Ano ka?
Hirap ang video nito. Right. Right lang until makano ka lang.
Ano ba?
Good job. See, ang galing mo na. Fresh track to Maricon. Yan, sige. Yan, good job.
Ulalim na!
Hindi talaga ito marunong. Walang sense of direction. Ay, nakakawawa to. Huwag mo diretsuhin. Tingnan mo naman ginawa ko. Wala training to. Ito na naman. Remember this place?
Saan?
Ito, sa baba.
JD!
Ha?
Saan dadaan dito?
Daan ka lang, basta keep right.
Kapahagpid ulit siya.
Kaya mo yan. You're doing good though. Okay? Fresh track to Maricon. You should be happy. Oh shit, that's icy.
Making you happy.
Hot flash.
Saan tayo? Pakanan.
Ikaw, kung saan ka komportable? You did really well sa mga trees, right? Like mga twigs.
Kaya ko to.
Kaya mo yan. Saan ka?
Tabi, dito dadaan.
Ah, sige.
Malalim eh.
Hindi na ako
Doon ka sa
makatabi.
baba.
Wag na, video kita
Hindi
eh.
ako makabuelo eh.
Ay nako. Oh, sige nga. Oh shit. Here. Oh yeah, see? You're doing really good. Oh nice, good job. Ah, good job.
Bye muna!
See? Not bad.
Para naman nakakamatay naman to, JD.
Yeah, this is fresh track. Hindi nakakamatay to. Galing mo nga eh, see? Hi ka, you're doing good. Marcon, you're doing really well. This is a hard track, you know.
Ready na?
Yeah. Basta keep right ka lang, i-follow kita. Hindi marunong sa right to eh.
Yeah, parang wala naman na daanan.
Sige na, may daanan yan. May training ako dinala sa bundok. May training. You're a tree hugger. This is a hard one.
Diba pala dito, JB, ang dahil ganyan?
Oh, ano nangyari?
Wala, nakakabit yung board.
Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Hindi gumalaw yung puno.
Ang laking puno
Wala
niya.
yung puno, hindi gumalaw.
I-follow kita pa rin.
Kaya mo pa ba?
Hirap eh.
You'll always be my home. My
Mali! Let's do it again! Ako
Ano,
hawak.
ikaw?
Kasi, ayusin mo yung lens na yan.
Bakit nga? Dapat wala muna, ganyan muna.
Ha?
Kasi nga gaganan mo yung kamay ko, tapos nalagay mo yung board.
Paano kita itutulak? Wala.
Eh di pag nabigay mo na yung board, tutulak mo na ako.
Ah,
Kuya,
sige.
alis dyan. Ready, get set, go. Ganon!
Ay, mali.
Ganon!
Ah.
Ganon! Ganon!
Tapos?
Gan-
Tama, sige.
Wala, mali ka eh. Sige.
Yun na.
Oo. Tapos tutulak ko ako. Ay, gago! Magbibidyo na ako.
Dapat dito! Dapat ay bibidyo kita.
Tapos nakuha ko na.
Dito lang kita.
Tapos nakuha ko, tapos tutulak ko na ako.
Ay, gawin ko yung...
Hindi, kasi mababa. Ayan. Dito.
Okay. Or...
Ayan na. Boo!
You got your madness, and I'm good at bad habits. Oh, one of us is gonna get hurt. I'm no one to trust, ask anyone, and you will see it. I love for
Oh, it's flat.
It's
pretty flat.
It's you or me, you best believe it.
Now you gotta walk. Gag. Flat ni. Nagsa-snowboard yun?
Yeah. You're actually pretty good. With his boyfriend and stuff.
Hardcore man yata yung boyfriend nun eh. Bilis!
That way. Yeah.
Oh, I remember this. So much powder.
Howdy. She's gone, eh? Mercy's in this.
Mercy.
She went.
She went the other way.
I don't know why she veered that way. Come on, na.
Tara natin.
Pop, 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 pop.
JD, bilis! Yee! Woo-hoo! Wow! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Uy, may butas! May butas dun oh. JD, bilisan mo!
Easy, girl. That was fun.
That was fun.
She okay? Yeah.
She's okay.
Alright. Yeah, it's just a little bit icy in the bottom, but not bad. It is a lot of.
Woo! Ay! Diretso na, sundin mo lang yung truck. Sundin mo lang. Uy! Woo! Woo! Ah! Ate Cheryl pa! Okay. He's by far out, and then I got stuck, and there was no more track. And
Are you ready, Marco?
ready.
All right, Cheryl!
Carol!
Gerald!
Ate Cheryl, how was it?
Quick movements.
This is harder than Rebel Stuff.
I bet this is.
No, maybe.
Too much snow.
Yeah.
Grades are hard. JD, susundan kita. What? Woo! JD! Nangyaya naman. Panira ka. Kaya mo yan!
This is not fun. But it's out of
It gets better. It gets better.
I just want to go where it's steep and I don't fall. Alright!
Andun na oh, daan na.
Huh?
Daan na.
There's another one.
I made it.
Nice one.
Ready? Ready? Ay! Oh, fresh tracks! Woo! We're going there.
All right. Yeah, let's give it a
Fresh back!
I can promise. We're not even. You good? Yeah, we're chilling. They're all good. Ready to go? What are you doing?
Oh, ang tagal.
Easy, girl.
Hindi na ako makalagas. Oh. Woo! Ay, doon na pala yun! Woo! Yan na, Ate Cheryl, nakabalik na! Woo! Ay, ate. Hello? Woo! Pow, pow! Paano mag-spray? Yun pa hindi ko alam eh. Ay, sorry! Sorry! Hi guys!
Turn left there.
Hmm? Oh man, you can go anywhere basically.
Yeah.
Wow. Lower Deer Park.
It's a ticket.
Whoa! Hello, sir. Woo! Tagal ni JD.
Huh?
Oh?
Huh?
Oh?
Ano?
Ano? Lower Deer Park. Hindi ako.
Maricon o may
Sorry.
ka?
Everyone's taking their shot, missing out on the cut. I think she knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad.
Where's
The
JD?
attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want
Woo!
to. Running in circles just to make her
Woo!
It's racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's
Oh my gosh!
Oh, we should have went a little higher and went
Oh yeah.
go cut cross.
Yeah. No, I guess it's too late
No,
now.
we still can cut some of it.
Snack.
I was gonna go, but the JD went before me, so I stopped.
JD kasalanan ni JD. Well, guess we gotta go. Ano nangyari, JD? Ano nangyari?
Ano nangyari? Tingnan mo nangyari sa'yo.
Man down. Do you need help?
I've fallen and I can't get up.
So yeah. Our crib.
Go, crib.
Cheryl lives there. Pangit.
She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to